Hello dear friends, welcome back. This is cue card number 4. Cue card name is describe a goal that you have achieved which was set by yourself. So this is some high band score speaking section. This is from May to August band 9 and today's date is 18th June. So before moving to the cue card, if you are watching this video first time, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the latest notifications at the earliest. So let us move on to the cue card. The cue card is describe a goal that you achieved which was set by yourself. What it was, when did you set it, how did you achieve it, explain how it influenced your life. So this is the cue card. So moving on to the answer for this cue card, let us see how we can answer for this cue card. I don't think I have a strong willpower and many times I have set goals but failed to achieve them. But last year I made a New Year's resolutions and made sure I completed it. In 2018, I took my board exam and I unfortunately spent a lot of time sitting at home for 2-3 months. Because of the lack of physical activity, I gained 5 kilograms of weight in those months. Due to the weight gain, I also lost confidence and stopped talking to my friends. Thus, I started staying indoor and I gained even more weight. So, at the beginning of 2019, I decided to lose all the weight that I gained and regain my confidence. I mainly did 3 things to achieve it. Firstly, I joined a gym and stayed regular with it. Every day I used to wake up at 6 a.m. and go to the gym. I spent about 45 minutes to 1 hour at the gym. The second thing I did was to control and manage my diet. I stopped eating sweets and packaged products. This was really hard for I love sweets. It was especially hard to give up on chocolates. The last thing I did was to sleep on time. I could only be regular with the gym if I woke up on time, and that meant I needed to sleep on time. Earlier, I had the habit of watching TV shows, and so I used it to stay up late at night. I used it to wake up just very late, and thus if I did that, I would never have been able to go to the gym. I didn't stop watching TV shows, I just made sure I watched only one episode every day. My gym trainer also told me that proper 8 hours of sleep for muscles to regenerate and heal, so sleeping on times was very important. After 3 months of this schedule, I was finally able to lose all that weight. Doing this made me really confident and I started going out and meeting my friends again. So moving on to the follow-up question, the first question is, do people need to write down goals or simply memorize them? Well, I live to write down my goals. It just provides that extra motivation in that weak moment or when we are having a bad day and we feel like giving up. Moving on to the second question, do Indian people usually set goals? Yes, many Indian people do. In fact, I remember on 1st of January, a lot of my friends and I share our New Year goals and resolutions. Moving on to the third question, should parents set goals for children? I think parents should motivate children to keep goals, but I don't think parents should themselves keep the goals, because I think if children don't keep the goals, they won't have the same level of motivation to fulfill them. Fourth question, when do young people start setting goals for themselves? I think there is no fixed age. It all depends upon the person's maturity and level of responsibility. Some people start keeping goals at very early age like at 12 or 13, while others start keeping goals after reaching adulthood. Goal setting is much more about self-fulfillment and making oneself better, and this resolution realization to make oneself better sometimes come early and sometimes late. Fifth question: what are the kinds of goals that are unrealistic? I think goals which are in tune with the person's personality are realistic. I mean, if I decided to do something which would require me to make a drastic change in my personality, I would not be able to achieve it. So that would be unrealistic for me. Sixth question: do young people and all people have different kinds of goals? What are they? I think both yes and no. Yes, in the sense that young people goals are more about achieving something in life, while goals for old are about helping their young achieve their goals in life. Now, because sometimes goals can be similar too. For example, I see both young and all trying to lose weight and look smart in the gyms. Moving on to the seventh question: what is more fulfilling, working towards a goal or achieving it? I think both are fulfilling in their own sense. Working towards a goal is about meeting and overcoming challenges. It is about failing and getting back up. Finally, achieving a goal brings a feeling and that efforts did make a difference. However, if we didn't struggle to achieve something, neither the work we put in nor the final goal brings in fulfillment. Moving on to the eighth question: do you think it is important to have realistic goals? I think being realistic has its own advantages and disadvantages. Its advantages because if the goals are unrealistic, it is very easy to give up and believe that it was not possible in the first place. It is also harmful in the sense that we never test our limits. We never try to go beyond. So I generally set goals to just beyond realistic. Thank you. This is the end of this cue card. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and press the bell button to get the latest notification at the earliest.